everyone, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. How are you today? I hope you're doing fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we're going to talk about maintenance tasks and specifically how you can customize them for your personal needs. So within HomeZada's maintenance section, there are 150 maintenance tasks that you get to choose from and add to a calendar that you can personalize. Now that calendar will send you reminders via email of when those tasks need to come due, and or you can integrate your HomeZada maintenance calendar with any other type of electronic calendar, whether it's an iCal calendar, a Google calendar, or even Outlook. You can integrate that as well, and the system will show you how to do that. But one of the things I also wanted to tell you was you can actually personalize specific tasks. If you do not find a task in the 150 home maintenance tasks in the system, you can add one by creating a maintenance task, determining whether it's a single one-time task or it's a recurring task so you can set the calendar moving forward, and then you can add that to your calendar from here on out. So that's one way you can do that. Secondly, you can also add personalized tasks that may not directly be associated with your home, but it kind of may be. So maybe you have a dog or a pet that lives with you in your home and you get them regularly trimmed. And so maybe you have a Yorkie or a Cockapoo or even a Labradoodle, and you take the dog in to get its haircut every couple of months. You can add that to your HomeZada calendar and track it as a personalized task inside the system. Really efficient, making your life so much better. The other thing that you can do is you can track personalized tasks like soccer games. If you happen to know that, you can track personalized tasks as it relates to other activities that you need to get done in a timely fashion. And so the system is super flexible that you can add a variety of tasks that you need a reminder for, but may not be aware of it. Another great reminder task that just came up is maybe you pay your taxes biannually in your state. And to avoid any penalties, you have to pay it on a certain time. And it's easier to actually set a reminder as to when that's going to happen. And by the way, I would recommend setting that reminder a week before it's actually due so you can get the funds in on time, but you can also avoid the penalty. And that's a huge savings for your household. So HomeZada becomes a really good tool to make sure you save time as well as money. Another good personalized task that I'll give you as my own personal example is I am fortunate. I have 15 beautiful nieces and nephews that I love very much, and they live all around the country. So I created a personalized birthday task that is recurring each month, and it lists all the birthdays of all my nieces and nephews. So I know where a gift needs to go and when it needs to go. Because as you can imagine, with 15 nephews and nieces, it's hard to keep track of all of this. But the whole point of this video is to help you understand that you can create personalized tasks of any nature because of the flexibility that HomeZada has. And some of these tasks will save you time. It'll also save you money, but also it'll help you remember when things need to get done so you don't have to worry about it and you don't have to stress about it. And that's the part that I truly love, because you definitely don't want to be the aunt that delivers late gifts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments below. If you come up with tasks that you track, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know that too. We invite you to visit us at HomeZada.com. Have a great day, and thank you again for watching.